Welcome back to the Steve Champagne Radio Show. Welcome back, everybody that wants to know how to watch the Ravens and the Bills tonight. And it's very, very simple. We're going to get into that right now. Now, the NFL is making a lot of changes this year, and they're putting games all over the place, okay? And if you subscribe to the channel, which I invite you to join us, our musical global sports entertainment family of friends. Oh my God, where I read every single comment and I would love to interact with you. We're going to be doing some live shows covering the games as well as some great music news and entertainment news. Be a part of one of the fastest growing channels right here on YouTube. But let's get back to what the NFL is doing. They're changing up. It's not going to be just on Fox and stuff anymore. They're changing where they're putting all these games at, exclusively here, exclusively there. So by subscribing to the channel, you're always going to get a video from me telling you how to watch these big monumental games like the Ravens and Bills. So tonight's game is really easy to watch. If you want to watch it for free, there's two options, actually one major option, but we'll get to that. It's going to be on Peacock Network. Now, you can just download the app on your phone, the Peacock Network, and there is a subscription that you have to pay. But if you really want it for free and you don't care about the Peacock Network, well, then you can get the 7-day trial, and then as soon as the game is over, you can unsubscribe, and boom, you watched it for free. But I do recommend highly that you subscribe to the Peacock Network because there's going to be multiple games this year, plus the Super Bowl, that will be on the Peacock Network. You can take these games with you wherever you go. In the meantime, I say keep the music playing, the good times rolling. We'll be back right here at the Steve Champagne Radio Show. Thank you for watching.